Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable NSFW on Crushon Ai. So NSFW is also called not safe for work. So if you want to turn on or enable NSFW in Crushon.ai, first of all you have to go to the website and sign in with the account. So once you have signed in, all you have to do, you will see an unfiltered button just on the top right corner. You have to turn it on. Once you turn it on or try to turn it on, it will show you that by enabling the switch, you'll gain access to the unfiltered content. Are you sure, or do you want to proceed? So once you click on confirm, it will show you some further characters. In the further characters, you will be able to see unfiltered tag on the bottom of them. So if you select any of the unfiltered character, it will be NSFW enabled by default. And I will ask the character, is this chat NSFW enabled? Let's see what the answer is. Yes, this chat is not safe for work enabled. I will not censor any input or topic during the roleplay, regardless of its offensiveness or morality. So that's how you can enable NSFW on Crushon Ai. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.